have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your profession?
I am a doctor.
What's your profession?
I am a doctor.
Are you sick?
Yes, I'm sick.
Are you sick?
Yes, I'm sick.
What's your favorite food?
I love soup.
What's your favorite food?
I love soup.
Who is it?
It's my friend.
Who is it?
It's my friend.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
How's the weather?
It is raining.
How's the weather?
It is raining.
What are your symptoms?
I've got a headache.
What are your symptoms?
I've got a headache.
Where are you going?
I am going to a store.
Where are you going?
I am going to a store.
What's on your mind?
I am just thinking.
What's on your mind?
I am just thinking.
What is it?
It's salad.
What is it?
It's salad.
How was the party?
It was good.
How was the party?
It was good.
Do you have a car?
I have a car.
Do you have a car?
I have a car.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
Are you upset?
Yes, I am upset.
Are you upset?
Yes, I am upset.
How was your day?
It was good.
How was your day?
It was good.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes.
What are you doing?
I'm playing games.
What are you doing?
I'm playing games.
What is that?
That's a temple.
What is that?
That's a temple.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
What's for dinner?
Spaghetti tonight.
What's for dinner?
Spaghetti tonight.
Do you like snow?
No, I don't like it.
Do you like snow?
No, I don't like it.
How's the weather?
It's sunny.
How's the weather?
It's sunny.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am very happy.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am very happy.
Why are you laughing?
Because I am happy.
Why are you laughing?
Because I am happy.
What's your job?
I am a student.
What's your job?
I am a student.
What did you buy?
Some vegetables.
What did you buy?
Some vegetables.
Where is the cow?
The cow is under the tree.
Where is the cow?
The cow is under the tree.
Who is she?
She is my sister.
Who is she?
She is my sister.
Who is he?
He is my grandfather.
Who is he?
He is my grandfather.
What are you doing?
I am cooking food.
What are you doing?
I am cooking food.
What do you do for fun?
I like reading books.
What do you do for fun?
I like reading books.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.